If OneNote is crashing the moment you open it, or you're getting an application error before it even loads, don't worry, because this usually points to a bad cache, a corrupted layout setting, or an add-in causing OneNote to close instantly. In this video, I'll show you a quick and safe way to fix the OneNote application error and get the app opening normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to launch OneNote in safe mode. This helps OneNote start with the most basic settings and can bypass anything that's causing the crash. To do that, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type OneNote safe. Make sure you leave a space before the slash because that part matters. Then press Enter. If OneNote opens in safe mode, that's a good sign. It means the issue is probably being caused by a setting, cache, or extension rather than the app being fully broken. But if it still crashes, that's okay because we're going to fix the most common cause next. Before making any changes, make sure OneNote is completely closed. Don't just close the window. Verify that it is fully shut down. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Z to open Task Manager. Look through the list of running apps and background processes and make sure OneNote is not still active. If you see it there, click it and end the task so nothing is still running in the background. Now we're going to clear the local OneNote cache. This is one of the most effective fixes when OneNote keeps crashing or throws an application error on startup. Press Windows key and R again to open the Run box. This time, type %localapi data sumlas Microsoft plus OneNote and press Enter. A folder window will open, and inside that folder, you should see a version folder, such as 16.0, depending on your installed Microsoft Office or OneNote version. Open the folder that matches your core version profile. Inside that version folder, look for the cache folder. This cache can become corrupted over time and cause OneNote to fail when opening. You have two options here. You can rename the folder to Cache Old, which is the safest option because it keeps a backup in case you need it later. Or, if your notes are fully synced online and you're confident everything is backed up, you can delete the cache folder completely. If you're not sure, renaming it is the better choice. That way, OneNote will create a fresh cache the next time it opens, and you won't lose access to anything important. Once that's done, close File Explorer and reopen OneNote normally. When it starts up again, it should rebuild a clean cache and load without the same application error. This simple reset fixes a lot of startup issues, especially if OneNote was crashing because of a corrupted local file or bad temporary data. If OneNote still isn't opening after that, double check that you typed the safe mode command correctly and that the cache folder was renamed in the right OneNote version directory. In many cases, just clearing that cache is enough to solve the problem immediately. So, to quickly recap, first start OneNote with OneNote safe, then make sure OneNote is fully closed through Task Manager, go to %localapp data plus Microsoft so OneNote, open your version folder, rename the cache folder to cache old, and then reopen OneNote. That's it. You've now learned how to fix the OneNote application error using a safe and effective reset method. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with any other OneNote issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.